Hi, my name is Edgardo.
I'm Jefferson.
And I'm Kanan.
And we are Tide Cycle.
Our world is changing and the sea is changing with it. Carbon emissions and marine pollution are becoming more of a problem. Plastics are being thrown into the sea. What can we do?
We can clean the plastics, and this is why we created Neomarcara. Neomarcara is an underwater drone that helps clean the ocean by removing plastics and microplastics. Our world is becoming more advanced with technology, and to ride the wave, we built Neomarcara with an AI-integrated CPU and a sonar system to detect whether or not an object is plastic and could potentially be harmful to marine life.
When Neomarcara detects plastics, it will open its mouth and swim forward to collect the trash. When the plastic goes inside, it filters the water and dumps plastic into an inner container. The water will be directed to our turbine for energy. The way the turbine works is when Neomarcara is swimming through the water, it will make the turbine spin, thus creating kinetic energy, which can be converted into energy for the real motor.
To be energy efficient, we took inspiration from the Mako shark for the streamlined design. It also has fins to stabilize, pan, tilt, and steer. Neomarcara is approximately 10 feet in length and weighs 125 pounds with a top speed of around 25 miles per hour. We hope that our efforts will lead to a better tomorrow. We're Tide Cycle, and we'll catch the clean wave with you later.